Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have got our hands on the brand new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Now listen, I know what you are thinking. Didn't the Fold 6 just come out? Yeah, and it wasn't much of an upgrade. But this time around, Samsung actually made some big changes. Thinner design, better cameras, and real improvements to the folding experience. This is more than just a spec bump. This feels like Fold finally maturing, and I have got a lot to say about it. So let's get into it. Samsung has clearly focused on refining the build. The Fold 7 is just 8.9mm thick when closed. That's a massive drop compared to older generations. And it only weighs 215 grams, lighter than even the S25 Ultra. They redesigned the hinge, made the inner components slimmer and reduced the frame thickness just enough to make it feel like a slave phone when closed, finally. It's also way easier to use one-handed now. Typing, scrolling, unlocking, it feels less like you are holding a prototype and more like you are holding a true flagship. Even little things like the button layout, the fingerprint sensor, and the rail design have been refined. What makes the Fold special is its dual display setup. Closed, you have got a 6.2-inch screen that finally feels natural to use. But once you unfold it, boom, 8 inches of screen real estate. It's vibrant, smooth and immersive, perfect for productivity, gaming or streaming on the go. And because it runs Android 16 with One UI 8, multitasking is actually usable now. Drag and drop between windows, resizable apps, split screen support. Samsung's software has matured and it takes full advantage of the foldable format. This is no longer a gimmick. The Fold 7 actually makes multitasking enjoyable. Under the hood, you have got the Snapdragon 8 Gen Elite for Galaxy. It's a tuned-up version of Qualcomm's latest flagship chip optimized for Samsung devices. And honestly, it flies. Gaming, video editing, AI tools all run buttery smooth. You are also getting 12GB of RAM by default and 16GB with the 1TB model. Pair with the UFS 4.0 storage, and this thing is a powerhouse for pros and multitaskers alike. Samsung's Fold 7 is the most complete foldable they have built yet. It's thinner, lighter, more powerful and finally has a true flagship camera. But it's also more expensive and still leaves better innovation on the table. If you are all about multitasking, productivity and pushing your phone to the limits, this is the Fold you have been waiting for. So what do you think? Are you picking up the Fold 7 or waiting for the Pixel Fold 2 or OnePlus Open 2? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more honest, in-depth tech reviews. Catch you in the next one.